how to fix RoShade not working. So if you want to fix RoShade not working, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your extensions on your Chrome, or you can go with the three dots and then go with extensions, go with manage extensions. And here you may have RoShade or Row Searcher or anything like that. Once you have that, you just need to simply remove that extension, or you can simply remove unnecessary extensions. Once you've removed, now right click on your taskbar and then go with Task Manager. Under your Task Manager, now here you will have the Row Shade. So if you have the Row Shade application, then what you need to do is right click on that application and then go with End Task, and you need to end the task of that Row Shade. Once you end that task, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your settings. Under settings, go with apps and go with installed apps. And here you need to search for the RoShade application. Once you have searched, then you can simply go with the right side and then you can go with uninstall, and you need to uninstall your RoShade. Once you've uninstalled, you need to again reinstall it. And after reinstalling, your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix your RoShade not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.